Well, we have this truck here. It's a 4.3 V6, and my customer had a problem with the number 3 and number 5 cylinder. And for some reason, we checked with the scanner, and it's still misfiring in number 3. After he tried several things, wires, spark plugs, either the camera tank or something valve, and it was missing so bad. Now we figured out what was the problem. The cover here and the front release or whatever place, they put this thing here like a number 3, and this one was marked like a 5. If I zoom it there, and the cover in the cap says 5, and then 3, and the number 1, and the center one is the number 1. But we just switched that once, the number 5 and the number 3, and everything started working good. The cylinder started working like nothing happened. So this cover had a mistake in there. It's different model or something, but as we put it that one, the piston started working. Number 3 and number 5. And you see, it's no missing and nothing. But before it was missing like a crazy and backfires and things like that. But just in case you have a problem like that, just check that one too. The second number is the correct way to put it on. 3 in the last part, and the number 5 in the first one. Hope this still helps somebody.